Calamity Mine at Walibi Belgium. For some reason it's a water coaster. No! Ooh! I really don't like that. Turn it off! It can be worse. I'm excited for this one. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's gonna go slow, and it's completely that is rain. That's a waterfall, and it's gonna go slow on us only, or only on me, I guess. No, my God! Oh no! That is so unnecessary. Turn it off. Okay, so the thing is, the coaster is not amazing, but the theming is so good. I really like it. I enjoy that.
But it was so long. You don't like see a new area. Like, oh,
yeah, I really like that. It was very cool. Calamity Mine at Walibi Belgium.